Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on web design with Wix, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by determining your website's purpose and goals. Identify your target audience and what they need from your site. Choose a suitable Wix plan that aligns with your budget and requirements. Visit the Wix website and sign up for an account. Explore the available templates that fit your niche or industry. Select a template that resonates with your brand identity. Once you've chosen a template, click Edit to begin personalizing it. Use the drag and drop editor to rearrange elements on the page. Incorporate your logo and brand colors for a cohesive look. Add relevant content, including text, images, and videos, to engage visitors. Utilize Wix's built-in tools to enhance functionality, such as contact forms or booking systems. Optimize your website for mobile by checking how it appears on different devices. Adjust elements as needed to ensure a seamless mobile experience. Make use of Wix's SEO tools to improve your site's visibility on search engines. Incorporate meta tags, keywords, and alt text for images. Conduct a preview of your website to check for any design inconsistencies. Test all links and interactive elements to ensure they work properly. Once satisfied with your design, connect your domain name. Choose a domain that aligns closely with your business name for better recognition. Publish your site to make it live for your audience to view. Regularly update your content and designs to keep the website fresh and engaging. Monitor your website's performance through Wix's analytics tools. Gather visitor feedback to identify areas for improvement. Continue to refine your site based on user interactions and preferences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.